pa nila ang grupo para mas marami pa po kami matulungang mga OFW part-timers na
yung pangarap mo, yung goal mo na after 3 months sa ganitong araw, kailangan makuha mo siya. No?
Temple Queens, Queen Jane.
Oo, meron sa Hong Kong. Ganon din sa Tabaco. Darating yung time, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, baka mga 5-10 na yung nag-BBNS. Topic ko ngayon is body, mind, spirit. Sa pagyaman daw, kailangan balance itong tatlo.
This is the good bear, okay?
Okay!
This is the bad bear. Tatlong taon na lang.
Yan, gusto ko makita yun lahat kasi bakit hindi kayo sumayaw dito kayo? Kumain lahat kayo mga hindi sumayaw. Masad mo sa harap ha?
yes, diba? Okay, may mag-iinit ka kasi may inspire ka sa mga a-awardan ngayon. Ikaw na ba yun? Congratulations from Ayabay, partner Robilin Dalamo, Batch 18, OFW from Bahrain, and whoever awards not present. Ayan, so congratulations from eSports, partner Rodora, Tihano, Batch 7, OFW from Qatar.
Alright, congratulations everyone. No? So, maraming salamat sa Temple Online System sa binigay niyo sapatos sa akin. Maraming salamat guys. And siyempre sa mga FW. Tingnan namin dyan. No, ataw tayo. Napaganda na online system dahil kung wala yung Temple, wala ang Temple, wala yung award. And at the same time, marami pa tayo matutulungan. Congratulations everyone. God bless you all.
From Infos, partner Jennifer Adorneo, OFW from Hong Kong.
Nakita ko na stars, siyempre may naganda ng sapatos. Dalawang sapatos, saka isang jeans, siyempre. Saka nagpapasalamat ako sa Temple Online System. Dahil sa kanya, tumutuwa yung sapatos na dalawang sapatos, sobrang ganda. Kaya mix, kaya kayo pag kayo ng gold, siyempre, hit na talaga.
Our top 12! Congratulations from Genesis!
spectrum of colors. Sometimes they're all blue. Oh, but you're a wonder to witness. If you'll pause and see, let's breathe in together, right here, you and me. Hold on tight, it'll be alright. Come on and rise up, rise up. You're looking great, keep heading that way. Keep your chin up, chin up. When it all feels strange, don't know what to say. Turn up your little light in the world. Oh, we're almost there. Can you feel it in the air? You're a fighter, fighter. We'll walk it out together. We'll be stride for stride, till we're dancing like fireflies, till we're one in the sunlight. Take my hand, you don't wanna miss. There's so much life out here to live. Come on, it's over the horizon, yeah. Hold on tight, it'll be alright. Come on and rise up, rise up. You're looking great, keep heading that way. Keep your chin up, your chin up. Open your eyes, I promise you'll see a beautiful world for you and for me. It's all so amazing. Don't you